Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to download offline maps on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To download offline maps on Windows 10 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings icon. Now click on Apps. Here in left pane, you will find an option Offline Maps. Click on Offline Maps. Here you will find an icon Download Maps. Just click on Download Maps. Here you will choose your continent. I am choosing my continent Asia. Now select your country. I am selecting my country, Bangladesh. Now look, the map is downloading. Download has been finished. This is the easiest way to download offline maps on Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.